Benefits of reading newspaper. 30 July 2022. Sharifaq Damrai, Dhaka. Dear Tanvir, at first thank my love. I hope you are well. I am also well. I received your letter yesterday. In your letter, you wanted to know about the benefits of reading newspaper. Now I am writing about it. Newspaper is called the storehouse of knowledge. It gives us the news of home and abroad. We get job news, trade news, political news, sport news, etc. from newspaper. It develops our general knowledge. No more today. Give my salam to your parents and love to the youngers. Thank you so much, guys. Assalamualaikum.